ArcGIS pipeline referencing, also known as APR, introduces linear referencing capabilities into the core Esri technology. Today, we're going to focus on using the route editing tools that are now available as an extension to ArcGIS Pro. In our map, you'll see two representations of our lines. The first is our station series network, which is our M-aware network that we utilize for our day-to-day operations. But in APR, all of our networks are derived from a single centerline geometry. So the first thing we need to do in order to add a route to our network is incorporate it into the centerline geometry. So if we zoom into this particular area, you'll actually notice that I've already incorporated a small lateral that will connect us to a new gathering field into our centerline feature class. So what I need to do is actually add this to the route so it becomes calibrated and part of my network. So for that, I can use my location referencing toolbar. So if I come up to the top, I can actually hit the Create Route tool, and this will walk me through the process of adding the route to my network. First, I must select my network, and then I must give the route a name. So I can call this my APR demo route, and I'll call the line Pipeline Referencing. Now everything in APR is temporal, so everything is time aware. I'm actually going to go back in time and date this line to March 15th of 2017. Now I actually need to choose the center line from which the route will be created. So I'll use the Choose Centerline tool to choose one or multiple segments that will make up that route. The arrows will indicate the direction of flow, which is going to be based on the direction that the line was digitized. From there, it actually calculates a from and to measure, which I can alter if I know the true length of pipe inside the ground. I've also included a few basic attributes on my network, so I'll set the pipeline type to transmission, commodity crude oil, and the location is onshore. With that, I can go ahead and actually run the tool, and the route will be added to my network. So now if I use the Identify Routes tool, I'll notice that I have an M-aware line. So anywhere on that route that I click, I will actually see a measure value now that it's been incorporated into the network. And if we zoom in a little bit closer, we'll also see that APR has created two calibration points, one at the beginning and one at the end of the line. We could then use APR to add additional calibration points and enhance the accuracy of the measurements along our line.